significant occasion for us as it's time to be smarter. We are excited to bring you a brand new category with our Realme Watch, a smartwatch crafted with trend-setting design and technology. So let's not wait any longer. Let's unveil our latest innovation, the brand new and exciting Realme Watch. Before we get into the details of its design and technology, I want to show you a few pictures. Isn't it cool? Realme Watch is the best, smartest and most stylish companion for you. Now let's talk about the design first. As you know, the screens of smartwatches are very important for user experience. At Realme, we were determined to design a Realme Watch with a larger screen from the very beginning, something that sets it a class apart from every other product in this segment. What are the advantages of a larger screen? Well, to begin with, a larger screen means more information can be displayed. Moreover, during our research and development phase, we conducted a survey among our young fans and consumers to check what kind of data was most critical to them. And basis these inputs, we designed the default watch face of Realme Watch, which displays 6 crucial data points: time, date, weather, steps, heart rate and calories. Now talking about the screen size, the screen of the Realme Watch is 1.4 inches with a resolution of 320 into 320 pixels. With 323 pixels per inch, its screen resolution is as high as smartphones. So users can enjoy crystal clear clarity and picture quality. And with brightness of 380 nits and 10 levels of adjustment, you can see the screen clearly wherever you are, whether it's a dark or a bright setting. I would also like to mention that the surface of the screen uses 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and it has a sleek and trendy round frame which provides a seamless and comfortable touch. The Gorilla Glass 3 provides improved native damage resistance and shows high resistance to scratches. Well, we all know how variety is the spice of life, and the same applies to watch faces as well. Youngsters prefer a wide array of options to infuse freshness and excitement, and I'm excited to announce that Realme smartwatch comes with 12 unique watch faces and will be soon adding more than 100 fashionable watch faces co-created with trendy designers through OTA. With such a wide range of options at your disposal, it will take you 4 months to try them all out, even if you try a new watch face every day. The Realme Watch comes with the classic black color strap. However, you can switch to blue, red or green color strap to match your style. Now that we have unveiled the trend-setting design, let's take a look at the trend-setting technology. Here the Realme Watch carves a niche with great performance and functionality. Not only will the Realme Watch be your best accessory with exquisite design elements, but also your 24/7 health assistant. The watch is equipped with 3 major health functions: real-time heart rate monitor, blood oxygen level monitor, and intelligent activity trackers with 14 sports modes. Be it daily exercises or activities, you can monitor various vital data at any time and stay at your peak physical health. Realme Watch is the result of in-depth research and collaboration with industry-leading suppliers. It carries the top-level PPG sensor. You may be wondering why? We all know that heart rate monitoring is achieved by emitting specific wavelength green light to the skin and then detecting the reflected light. It involves multiple key factors such as accuracy, skin tone compatibility, and power consumption. Realme takes pride in rigorous research and development for all products. In fact, during our testing phase, we compared it with medical grade heart rate monitors as well. The results were highly motivating, and we found that the accuracy of Realme Watch is very high and close to the accuracy of professional heart rate monitors. Realme Watch detects your heart rate every 5 minutes 24/7. And if the heart rate falls low or spikes over safety thresholds in an emergency, the watch will send you a heart rate alarm and remind you to be mindful of your physical health. Now let's reveal another surprise on how efficient the Realme Watch is as your 24/7 health assistant. The Realme Watch can also detect your blood oxygen level. Many people are not familiar with blood oxygen level as they are with heart rate. However, it is one of the most important indicators of physical health. If blood oxygen is too low, it means that blood cells are not getting enough oxygen, leaving you open to various repercussions. Usually, blood oxygen monitoring requires use of specialized equipment. Now with Realme Watch, you can monitor your blood oxygen anytime, anywhere. In terms of accuracy, Realme Watch has also reached a highly satisfactory level, as you can see on the graph here. Moving beyond the health indicators, Realme Watch with its intelligent activity tracker supports up to 14 types of sports modes. This includes almost any popular sport you can think of, even something that is every Indian's favorite, cricket. It can easily monitor all aspects of your workout, and now that we are all in quarantine and isolation with fewer outings, I highly urge you to wear your Realme Watch and engage in some physical activities at home to keep your body fit and mind healthy. Beyond intelligent activity tracker, Realme Watch is characterized with many thoughtful health functions such as step tracker, idle alert, meditation, drinking reminder, and sleep monitoring. With a bundle of holistic functionalities, users can access some of the most comprehensive health and wellness functions in the market. The Realme Watch can be seamlessly paired with Realme smartphones via Realme Link app and supports SMS notifications as well as messages from third-party apps. It has been adopted to almost all renowned third-party apps for smart notifications. Thanks to its unique watch face, it can display more information for easy reading and consumption. As a smart wearable device, Realme Watch also features a deeper binding with smartphones. First of all, Realme Watch can automatically unlock the phone while approaching. This proves to be especially convenient and fast during the current pandemic, when face and fingerprint unlocking is not easy as before with everyone wearing masks and gloves. Realme Watch makes it easier for you. For music lovers, Realme Watch can remotely control the music player on your phone. For example, you can easily play and pause music while running. And for those special moments when you want to take a group picture, you can simply use your watch as a remote shutter button. As an important part of the Realme AIoT strategy, Realme Watch is the central device of the entire system. With OTA updates in future, Realme Watch will be able to remotely link multiple AIoT devices for easy operation without the need to open a smartphone. Inheriting Realme's consistently high quality of standards, the Realme Watch has IP68 level water and dust resistance. Whether it is rain or sweat, you can stay totally worry-free about anything harming your Realme Watch. Before being shipped from the factory, it has undergone strict quality inspection. So not only does it double up as a great accessory, but it also durable and long-lasting. As I have said before, we want to make Realme Watch a benchmark product in its category. So let's take a look at the competition with notable products at the same price segment to show you why Realme Watch is a big leap in this class. If you see the chart, Realme Watch outperforms every other watch in terms of screen, functionality and personalization, and moreover sets a new benchmark with both trend-setting design and trend-setting technology. Now to wrap up the path-breaking new product from Realme in the smartwatch category, let's do a quick recap of the features. The Realme smartwatch is equipped with a 1.4-inch large touchscreen available with straps in 4 colors and has more than 100 custom watch faces with OTA. It carries a flagship optical sensor, supports heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring, and is able to monitor 14 kinds of sports activity. And it can be seamlessly paired with any Android smartphone via Realme Link app to achieve a variety of remote controls and notification reminders. With IP68 level water and dust resistance, it is of high quality, easy to use and durable. So guys, let's see the product video first.
Realme Watch. Time to be smarter. Realme. Dare to lead.
So with all these power-packed features, the Realme Watch is priced at Rs 3,999 and will be available on realme.com and Flipkart. It will also be available in offline stores soon. And of course, you can get your hands on the Realme watch with the black strap that will go on sale at 12 noon on 5th June. You can buy the smartwatch with the black strap and you can switch to any of the other 3 color straps as per your style, as we will make it available soon with the price of rupees 499 each. This is the Realme watch for you. Now it's